All right, welcome back, guys. So it's later in the afternoon. Vinny and I took a break for some lunch here. I'm gonna try to put this all into one video. If not, it's probably gonna be a very long video, so I might have to break it into two. So if this is the next day, then welcome back, Joe here. If not, it is what it is. So we're gonna go ahead, cut the tops off, the canopy off of these few trees here. The bigger ones that he has laying down on this end, he's gonna cut into 16-inch rounds and have that split somewhere down the line. It's a burn. I think they're gonna have a fire pit built and put in the side here. He did say he's having a stump grinding company come in. They're gonna end up taking these stumps that we left here, and they'll take care of that. So we'll kind of just clean it up, make it neat, and they're gonna come in for that stuff. So we're just gonna clean up the tops here. Like I said, make these rounds. Probably do more of a time lapse because there's not much, not really anything, not much excitement out of that. So Vinny will be behind the camera as we go ahead and tackle this stuff here. And then really it's just going to be a short video. So like we always say, thank you very much for watching. If you don't mind, like and subscribe. Thank you to all the new subscribers. And since February 14th or 15th, whenever I believe it was, we've jumped from 500 to 587 as of today. So thank you, everyone. Thank you all the new subscribers that are joining us every single day. It seems like we're gaining about anywhere between 1 to 4 a day. So thank you, everyone, very, very much. This channel is growing extremely fast. And Monique and I are blown away by it. So thank you again. And stick around while we get this done. It's a little chilly out today. Bye. So as you guys see, we went ahead and we have that pile brought over to the side. We stacked some of the brush off over here. We have some of the logs that are gonna get split and burnt in the future, sitting to the side. I don't know in the upcoming weeks when Vinny's gonna have time to do that. We will only be here for another like 15 to 20 hours tops, and we're heading out. As per the brush, he's actually looking for a burn pit, a burn pail right now from Lowe's. Going to go check that out, or Home Depot, see if they have one. But I know in the next few days, like I said, they're going to go try to get this all cleaned up for what he's got planned on over here. But like always, guys, if you don't mind, if you can, hit that like button, subscribe, and if you guys have anything you could add to this, please let us know. Again, if you see these stumps hanging up, he has a stump company coming in. He may see if they do come in and take the brush and grind it and or chip it rather, and blow it right into the wood line and go from there. But thank you again, guys, to all the new subscribers. Thanks again to all the subscribers out watch constantly and have been with us since the beginning of the channel. My name is Joe, and I hope everyone has a great day.